Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Cesar. So this is going to be the first lesson of this affiliate marketing mentorship because I think this is the most important thing you need to know if you're going to start an affiliate marketing business. And I don't know why I didn't find this information in other channels which are talking about affiliate marketing, because sometimes we can get a little bit technical, click this, go to this website, do this. But the thing here is these words separate the top affiliates from the one who can't make money. And remember these words, and if you apply this, you can make money promoting other people's products. The words are emotional transfer. So what is that? If you can get excited other people about your product, you definitely can sell other products using the affiliate marketing strategies I'm teaching in this course. So, for example, you can have your Clickfunnels account, you can create a list on GetResponse, put your automation workflows, build an autoresponders, have an excellent product that has upsells and it's a high ticket product and all that stuff. But if you can't make people excited about that product, you are not going to make any sale. And for that reason, this is the most important lesson, and this is why it is my first lesson of this program. Now, let me tell you, for example, story. How are you going to feel? Or let me tell you some facts. How are you going to feel if you are driving, so let's say a Toyota instead of a Tesla, right? So if you're driving a Tesla, you're going to feel good because maybe you're going to think that this vehicle is happy with the environment. So check this technology. Tesla can drive by itself. So now let's do the other experiments. How are you going to feel if you're driving a Toyota? So which car are you going to choose? And in which car are you going to feel better, right? So remember, humans are not logical. So humans don't decide logically. So that is why you need to transfer your emotions about the product you are promoting. For example, you can use facts when you're going to record a video or if you're going to write a blog, or you can start your video with this word. For example, let me tell you a story. So maybe you know my story. So I'm a chemical engineer. I have an MBA, which it didn't help me to make more money. So I looked for a side hustle and then I became affiliate marketer. And then with affiliate marketing, I earn more money than my chemical engineer job, right? So that is a story. So the sky is the limit, guys. And this is the most important thing I can tell you about affiliate marketing, besides the tech stuff. So in the other lessons, you are going to learn how to use Clickfunnels, GetResponse, where you can find a product, traffic strategies, and all that stuff, right? But remember these words, guys: emotional transfer. Talk to you soon.